Be ready. 10 seconds to go. Start. Creating a country imbued with a scientific culture was Jawaharlal Nehru's dream, and immediately after independence, he prepared a grand design to achieve it. Among the temples of modern India, which he designed, was a center of excellence in the medical sciences. Nehru's dream was that such a center would set the pace for medical education and research in Southeast Asia, and in this he had the wholehearted support of his health minister Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. The Health Survey and Development Committee, chaired by Sir Joseph Bore, an Indian civil servant, had in 1946 already recommended the establishment of a national medical center which would concentrate on meeting the need for highly qualified manpower to look after the nation's expanding healthcare activities. The dreams of Nehru and Amrit Kaur and the recommendations of the Bhore Committee converged to create a proposal which found favor with the government of New Zealand. A generous grant from New Zealand under the Colombo Plan made it possible to lay the foundation stone of All India Institute of Medical Sciences in 1952. The AIMS was finally created in 1956 as an autonomous institution through an Act of Parliament to serve as a nucleus for nurturing excellence in all aspects of healthcare. All India Institute of Medical Sciences was established as an institution of national importance by an Act of Parliament with the objects to develop patterns of teaching in undergraduate and postgraduate medical education in all its branches so as to demonstrate a high standard of medical education in India, to bring together in one place educational facilities of the highest order for the training of personnel in all important branches of health activity and to attain self sufficiency in postgraduate medical education. The institute has comprehensive facilities for teaching, research, and patient care. As provided in the Act, AIMS conducts teaching programs in medical and paramedical courses, both at undergraduate and postgraduate levels, and awards its own degrees. Teaching and research are conducted in 42 disciplines. In the field of medical research, AIMS is the lead, having more than 600 research publications by its faculty and researchers in a year. AIMS also runs a college of nursing and trains students for BSc honors nursing post certificate degrees. 25 clinical departments, including 4 super specialty centers, manage practically all types of disease conditions with support from pre and paraclinical departments. However, burn cases, dog bite cases, and patients suffering from infectious diseases are not entertained in the AIMS hospital. AIMS also manages a 60 bedded hospital in the comprehensive rural health center at Ballabgarh in Haryana and provides health cover to about 2.5 lakh population through the Center for Community Medicine. AIMS runs a variety of undergraduate courses in medicine, nursing, and related areas, and postgraduate courses in virtually all the basic and clinical medical specialties and super specialties. Admissions to these courses are based on entrance examinations conducted all over the country. 50 students are admitted each year to the MBBS course of AIMS. Our MBBS students are a carefully selected group of remarkably able and intelligent students committed to a high sustained hard work is the norm. What they need is only a little guidance along the path to knowledge. All efforts are made to keep their initiative and curiosity alive by making them active participants in the teaching learning process. They also have an opportunity to stretch their minds with research during their vacations. The faculty is willing and eager to provide vent to the wealth of ideas and energy available with this endless stream of extremely curious and committed young people. However, since these skills for the being are trained for practicing medicine, we ensure that they do acquire the purpose. Further, the science and craft of medicine should be accompanied by a humane approach to illness. To inculcate the necessary empathy in our students, our curriculum extends beyond medicine and encroaches on science and psychology. In short, undergraduate medical education is a blend of several streams of competing and sometimes conflicting endeavors. We try and make the blend as harmonious as we wish to produce competent and caring doctors while at the same time stimulating the creative abilities of our students. It is not surprising that AIMS was judged the best medical in India in the poll conducted in 1997. All postgraduate students in AIMS are potential teachers and research workers. Hence, during their stay at the institute, they not only acquire competence in a branch of medicine or surgery, but they also savor the romance of teaching and research. The small pieces of research which postgraduate students complete are treated as guided introduction to the painfully slow and tedious process of discovery. AIMS is also one of the pioneers in initiating an in service training program for postgraduate students. Residents, while providing patient care, also get formal training and education towards their degrees. Stop.